Welcome to this Podium video on commissions for our plan members, how to submit a manual commission claim. Reasons why you would submit a manual commission claim. Number one, an error has occurred in the standard commission claim process. Number two, the claim was not made upon lodgement to NextGen or Apply Online. Number three, it is a commission claim for a non-residential loan, such as commercial, asset lease finance, or an insurance claim. And number four, and the most common, the claim was not made prior to the settlement date. So let's have a look at the steps for processing a manual commission claim for plan members. Step number one, go to your Podium portal homepage. On the left sidebar menu, go to the Commissions tab, scroll across to Commissions Tools, and click on Plan Commission. This will open up the Plan Australia member website. Go to the top left-hand corner to the Loans tab, and then click on the New Loan button. This will open up the commission claim window, folks, and I'm going to divide it into two areas, the top half and the bottom half. And the top half, ensure that all of your details are correct, paying particular attention to the red box here, noting that star fields are mandatory fields. If your application does not include split loans, you can then click on the Submit button in the top right-hand corner. If your application does include split loans, we'll continue to step number 3A. Step number 3A is for the bottom half of the commission claim window, folks. So number one, you need to go to the loan sub-accounts and enter the split amounts as detailed with the lender. Now this ensures that the correct split is lodged under the one claim. Now you need to enter each split on a separate line under the amount column. Let's say, for example, it is a total loan amount of $800,000. It's split with $500,000 and $300,000. You would have $500,000 in line number one. You would have $300,000 in line number two. You need to confirm that the commission disclosure form has been signed as detailed down here. Now, once you are satisfied that your entire commission claim is correct, return to the top right-hand corner and click on the Submit button. A couple of notes for split loans and split codes. Now, if the split code required for the claim is not available in the drop-down box and the payee is part of the existing structure, part of your existing structure for commission setup, then you will need to request a new split code to be set up. Now, this needs to happen before the payments have gone through. Now, if your split code required for the claim is not available in the drop-down box and the payee is a new payment point, meaning there is no process within your current commission structure, then you need to complete a referral form. Okay, application commission IDs. Now, if you have activated commissions to CRM linking, then you can get the application commission ID from the CRM application. Now, you can contact the business platforms team to activate this functionality for you if it's required. Now, if the application commission ID is not required, you can actually ignore this field because it is not mandatory. Let's return to the steps. Now, to confirm that your commission claim has been completed correctly, return to your Plan Australia member site. That was the first step that we went to. Go to the same Loans tab and scroll down to Loan Listing. Then make sure that your fields are correct in the loan listing window here and click on the search button in the bottom right hand corner. A loan listing window and view will open up and you will find your commission claim here. Okay, some important tips when lodging a manual commission claim. Number one, borrower name. Please ensure that your borrower names are the same between your application and your commission claim. Now these are things like name order and capitalisation, and it applies to both personally and company type applications. Now, if a commission claim is being made after settlement, immediately submit a query against that claim and ensure the words late input are typed into the comment section. This will help the commissions team identify why you're making a manual commission claim, and the processing will be a little bit quicker. Change request form. Now for new split codes where pay is part of the existing structure, that was the first reason for the split codes that we talked about earlier, you need to fill out a change request form of the splits to be set up under your plan ID with confirmation of the split code name. Now email to relevant plan state mailboxes for setup here, folks. Now this particular form you'll find in your own library under membership and consultant admin documents. Okay, now for the other part of that equation, your referral form. Now for new split codes where pay is a new payment point, you need to fill out the referral form. Similar to the top part there, folks, plan ID with confirmation of the split code name, and you need to email your relevant plan state mailboxes. Again, the form can be found in the same location as a change request form under membership and consultant admin documents. Now, if an admin person is submitting the claim on behalf of a broker and they have multiple brokers that they manage, make sure that they select the correct broker to complete the claim against from the drop-down box. Now, that's a handy tip for our file drivers. Okay, folks, support resources for commissions, starting with Podium Knowledge Hub. On our home page, if you scroll down the page to the images that you see on your screen, starting with Getting Started across to Podium Top Tips, directly below is a section called Top Articles. Commissions is an area here or a topic. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further to View All, you'll be able to view the most up-to-date and new information that's been added here. If you need to speak to a person, folks, please remember that your partnership manager is well versed in your aggregator commission setup. If you have a different inquiry, please reach out to Podium Support. If your inquiry needs to be escalated to the commissions team, Podium Support will do that for you. That concludes today's Podium video on commissions. Thank you so much for watching, folks, and enjoy the rest of your day.